Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Word. In this module I want to show you how you can create your own numbered list, setting your own indents and hanging indents. So first of all, I'm going up to the styles area and dropping this little arrow down to expand this list and clicking create a style. I'm going to call this style Alana 3. And then I'm going to click OK. So that's creating the style, and then this sits up here with the rest of the styles. Right click, you can modify this or remove it, but I'm going to modify it because then it will allow me to set this how I want it to be. So down the bottom here, format, I want it to be a numbered list, so I'm clicking on numbered. Now you can create your own or pick one of these preset ones, which I'm going to pick that one, and then click OK to that. So that's giving me the numbers. Now I want to check that the indents, the left indent and the hanging indent, are how I want them, and I can see the preview there. That is not what I want. I want to set an indent, a left indent at 1.5 centimeters and the hanging indent off that at 0.5, so the whole thing sits on the 2 centimeter mark up here. So the 1.5 will be the first line, and then hanging off it to the 2 centimeter mark will be the second bit. Now to do that you need to go format, paragraph, and then this is where you need to set it. So this needs to be 1.5, that's where I want that bit to sit, and then this bit needs to be 0.5, so the whole thing then just is 2 centimeters. So 0.5, 1.5. You don't need to put the centimeters in there, but if you change anything you will have to put it in there. Click OK to that, and then you've got these options down the bottom to automatically update anything in this document, and then tick this one so all new documents have that information in there. Click OK to that, and then your new numbering list and the indents that you've set will sit there, and when you type, press enter, type, everything aligns, and if you press tab it will come in as you would expect, like so. And then press enter, shift tab to come back a level, shift tab again, and you're back to the same area. So this is now going to be set like that, with a hanging indent at 2 centimeters and the first bit at 1 centimeter. So it's totally up to you what the measurements are, but that's how you can create that. And if you've ticked the option for this to be automatically updated and be on all new templates or all new documents based on this template, you will have that sitting in your styles list for as long as you want. So hopefully this little short video has been of use and helpful to some of you. Thank you for your time. I'll catch you on the next one.